So guys, yes, today is 29th of March and the time is almost 9 now. So in this video, I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. Okay, so we'll be talking about how the pre-open market has opened, gap down opening stock and lot of things in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end to see my live trading and to get all the information. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. So guys, I do upload everyday live trading videos and educational strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel. So you can go inside my channel and watch all of the content, and if you like it, you can subscribe it. Okay, so guys, now talking about the pre-open market, let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So yes, you can see the pre-open market is opened at 0.44% up at 17,297.20. Advanced stocks are 43, declines are only 5, and advanced stocks are unchanged 2 are only 2. Okay, so looks like most of the stocks are opening in the gap up itself. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is SBI Life with 3.35% up and Asian Paint with 1.37% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is ONGC with 0.79% down and TCS with 0.35% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join my courses today. So you can go to my channel and watch all the daily live trading videos. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It is stock to trade. I just selected it from top gainer and top loser list here. So let's see how the stock will perform now. So I've not yet taken any entry. So once I take an entry, I'll update you guys. So I'm just planning to buy it if it goes above 741 or something like that. So we'll see. Buy the stock now, you know it's very volatile now, so I'll just buy it. So buying it now around 741.50, somewhere around there. So let's see how the stock will perform. So I guess yes, we just bought it around 741.50, somewhere around there. So let's wait for the stock to go up now. So the stock looks bullish, and not only that, even the market is also bullish, almost 0.50% up in the market. So if this bullish movement continues, the stock can give a very quick movement. So it's almost 743 now, 743.50. So I don't see any resistance now right now, but the stock can retrace a little bit and then go up. So let's wait for it. So again, it might come down to 741 from here, I guess, because as I said, there will be some retracement, and also this is in the early in the morning. So around 9:35 or 9:30, you can see some retracement happening, and from there the stock might go up again. So let's wait for it, guys. Okay, so anyways, we're in a buy side, and also the market is also going in a good bullish position now. So yes, we can expect anytime a quick movement to happen in Bharti Airtel stock, but let's see. As of now, it's at 742. Let's wait for it. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock did go up till 744 almost, and now it's back to 742 again. So yes, little bit of retracement happening here, so I'm just waiting for the stock to go up. So let's see. So we are like we are in a trade for like 10 to 15 minutes as of now, so let's see how much minutes it will take. So in the morning I expect big movements to happen, and you can see market did come down a little bit. So market was 0.50% up, and now it's 0.30% up. You can see at the top left of the screen. So market has come down a little bit, so that's why the stock has also retraced. Yeah, so let's see if the market pushes, it can give a sudden moment also. So let's wait for it until it goes up, and once it goes up and once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So it is near to 743 now, so let's wait. So guys, yes, it is giving a breakout now, 744. Yes, so once it reaches somewhere around 745 or 756, I can take my exit by booking like 4 points. So yes, it is going up now. So guys, yes, 745 almost touched, so I'll take my exit now and I'll update you guys. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock went all the way up till 746.8. So I just took my exit there by booking almost like 4 points or 4.5 points target. I just took my exit. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Bharti Airtel. So yes, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.